Hello. Do you own clinics and you're looking for the best clinic management system? Vanda is the best solution for you. Imagine having dedicated app for your patients, clinic staff, and manager, all integrated and connected online with real-time synchronization. The operational of your clinics will be more efficient, cost-effective, and saving so much time. So what is Vanda? To answer that question, let me tell you a brief Vanda history. It begins in Singapore, in 1997 when we built Magicsoft Asia Systems, where we developed small software and web-based applications such as CTMS and the original Vanda, Vanda 11. Vanda 11 was a commercial clinical management system applied in healthcare clinics, aesthetic clinics, medical spas, and even beauty salon. Through trials and tribulations, we have taken all the lessons learned from the original Vanda and crafted a revolutionary system catered to all your needs: clinic management, healthcare services, and patient experience. We proudly present to you the new version of Vanda, Vanda 12. You might have question, what does Vanda 12 do? Our new Vanda have three types of solutions for you. First, VandaCare, which is a patient healthcare application. Secondly, Vanda Clinic, which is clinic management system. And lastly, Vanda Manager, which is Vanda System Manager. Let's dive into our Vanda Care solutions. Patients' process experience is as important as the healthcare service they receive. Vanda Care is one-stop application for patients that catered to all their healthcare needs. Using Vanda Care, patients will be able to book appointment online, view their medical records, use telemedicine for video consultation, order past prescribed medications on the mobile application, and doing self-registration without having to physically travel to the clinic. Moving on to Vanda Clinic. As important as profit is, we have to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of our operations, for both our patients and staff. Vanda Clinic is a web-based clinic management system developed to improve efficiency of everyday operations for doctors, nurses, managers, and administrators. A smart clinic management system ensures an efficient, time-saving, and user-friendly software so that the focus will be on patients' care and more patients can be attended to. That is what Vanda Clinic promised to deliver with our features. Here's our Vanda Clinic features. With branch directory features, you'll be able to manage multiple branches, switching staff with ease, and reduce security risks and data leakage. Queue management allows you to manage queue requests and queue lists. This feature also helps you keep track of queue, minimizing waiting time, improving patient experience, and retaining patient. Patient Manager feature empower users to perform diagnosis, prescription, payment, and dispensaries with systematic progression, which is similar to the process of a consultation. Other features like Appointment Manager, electronic documentation, data discovery, and Inventory Manager, also packed in the Vanda Clinic system. Moving on to Vanda Manager solution. As important as strategy is, we have to execute to win. Execution involves every employee and every relation we have with customers. We must operate quickly on problems, drive results, not just activities. Vanda Manager is a web-based system developed to empower decision-makers to manage clinics using Vanda systems. Managing clinic groups or insurance scheme is a hard work. Vanda Manager helps you manage multiple clinics on one platform with ease. With Vanda Manager's tenant features, role-based access control and whitelists works together to provide software security and reduce such security risks. While data management provides the function of setting up master data that is accessible throughout all of the clinics. All in all, the business management feature provides our clients with an easy means of managing existing and an extremely user-friendly platform to set up new branches and insurances. Let's see some of our system snapshot. This is the dashboard page. Dashboard will give you daily statistics of the clinic. Dashboard also displays information such as pending queues and payment. We can filter the data for quick lookup throughout the system for information such as patient information, which can then be edited, or adding patient to queue, invoices, payment, and medical certification lookups. The report feature allows clinic staff to generate reports such as sales report, clinical report, and patient reports. The queue management features allows you to add patient to queue with ease. With queue management feature, you can manage queue requests and queue lists. Queue requests reflects information about patients whom have used self-registration via Vanda. This screen is showing you how the queue management allows you to call in queue with single click. And the queue display will be automatically updated. Now, the screen is showing you how to add new medical records to the patient profile. We can fill in information such as diagnosis, prescription, and more. Let's see our payment preview. With this payment feature, you can generate invoice for patient. Along with multiple payment method. And we can also see the payment and invoice record as well.
Moving on to Inventory Manager. Vanda's Inventory Manager allows you to handle your inventory items, suppliers, purchases, requisition, inventory balancing, and view your inventory records. Here's how you can add an item into Vanda Clinic. Enter the item's name into the search bar followed by its unit cost, quantity on hand, expiry dates, minimum stock level, costing information, and we are done. Once the item is added, you can edit its details and adjust the stock accordingly. Here's how you can edit the details and adjust the stocks of the items. Just simply search the item you want to edit, then click on the icons in the Actions column, and click the pencil icon to edit. For adjusting stock, click on the A symbol in the Action option, and then click on the pencil icon and fill in the adjustment. Users are also able to create item suppliers themselves. Fill in suppliers' details along with the item's details. Once users have added in the inventory items and set up its supplier's details, Vanda is able to recommend you the quantity to restock based on specifications such as average item quantity dispensed or to hit a certain stock level, preferred price or preferred supplier. In here we can adjust the quantity if we want. Then we can save as draft. We can see our drafts list by clicking on the Load Drafts button. We can also generate purchase order directly just by clicking Generate PO button. To confirm the purchase order, select the purchase order you want to confirm, then click Confirm. We can see our confirmed purchase order by changing the filter from Draft to Confirmed. Once we receive the stock, we can confirm the stock in by clicking on this button on the related purchase order, then click Stock In. We can see the list of purchase orders that have been stocked by changing the filter into Stocked. Click on one of the purchase orders to view details. Moving on to Vanda Care Overview. First up, patient self-registration. Patient can do self-registration by scanning the QR code or clicking on the link given by the administrators. Then patient can log in and fill in all the information needed. Moving on to booking appointment. First, patients can log in to VandaCare using registered username and password, or directly log in using SingPass. In here we can find a doctor and set the filter based on appointment venue and specialties. We can also set date range as well. We can click on one of the doctors on the list, and book appointment directly by selecting the time available. We can also see our appointment records and cancel the appointment. We can also see our medical records and past medication as well. Head on to our roadmap. Let's talk about evolution of Vanda. Established in the year of 2000, Vanda 11 was a native, computer-only application. With experience we got from Vanda 11, we established Vanda 12, which is browser-based, usable on all platforms with browser in 2018. Vanda 13 is an enhanced version of Vanda 12 based on healthcare feedbacks and need. Let's take a look at our plans and actions on VandaCare. We will add payment service, which is electronic payment for healthcare services, into our VandaCare web application. We will also have telemedicine service, which allows communication with doctors and professionals for online assistance. Repeat medication allows simple reordering of medication prescribed during previous consultations. And we will also add ratings and reviews of clinics, doctors and services, presenting users with the best healthcare options available. The addition of remote medication allows fuss-free delivery of medication right to your doorstep. We will also add Healthcare Forum, which allows patients to access latest healthcare news, informations and tips right in their pockets. Now, let's talk about our plans and actions on Vanda Clinic. First, a refreshed interface and improved requisition module for system proposed quantity of items to be restocked based on preferred conditions. Wallet modules will handle all your deposits, refunds, and patient transactional history. We will also deliver refreshed and improved module to handle all things optical, along with refreshed and further tailored e-documentation to doctors' needs. Vanda will be further enhancing the current AI to develop an algorithm to provide far more accurate quantity required by the clinic, reducing unnecessary losses, reduce drug wastage and saving space altogether. Here's a sneak peek of our newest Vanda 13.
So, what are you waiting for? Join us now for free. Scan this QR code and send us your questions.